Class 3 English grammar. Okay, let's start now. So this is what subject, the subject and the predicate, chapter 6, that is the subject and the predicate. Look at the two parts of each sentences. Now look at the two parts of each sentences. Now see, subject and predicate. A sentence are two parts. First is subject, the next is predicate. Now see, the sun, A, the number part, rises in the east. The dog is running after the cat. The peacock is dancing under the tree. Raul's sister was playing in the park. So you will notice that part A continues a person or things we are talking, okay, about. Okay, now so part A is what? Contain the person or things that we are talking about. We call it subject. Person or thing that we are talking about, that is part A, that is called the subject. And part B contains some statements about the subject. Part B tells us something about the subject or the person that we are talking about. So part B contains some statements about the subject. We call it the predicate. Okay, what we are talking about the subject, that is the part B, so that is called the predicate. The subject. Now see, so predicate, subject and predicate. Now see, thus the subject is the part of a sentence which then subject is that part of a sentence which names the person or thing we are speaking about. Subject is what? Subject is that part of a sentence which we are talking about, the name of the person. Which names the person or thing. So subject is the person or the thing we are talking about. And the predicate is that part of a sentence which says something about the subject. Predicate is that part which says something about the subject. The rest of the sentence is the predicate. The predicate is that part of sentence which says something about the subject or the person or the object. Or the person. Okay. So subject is the person or thing we are talking about, and the predicate is that sentence. Okay, that part of the sentence which talks about the subject we are talking. Okay, that we have marked. Now see, a very simple rule. Now, word that to the left of the verb is subject. Very simple rule to know the subject. The left side of the sentence will be the word that is left side of the sentence will be the subject, and the verb and the word following the verb form the predicate. So the word that is to the left side of the verb is known as the subject, and the verb and the words following the verb. Okay, so subject is the word that is on the left side of the sentence, that is subject, and the word following the verb from the word that follows about the subject, that is known as predicate. Clear? So subject, see, this is subject left side, and the rest is predicate. Okay, now next. Okay, now next page. So next page is this one. In some sentences, the verb is made up of 2 or 3 words. In some sentences, you can find verbs made up of 2 or 3 words also. Now see, let's see the example. The sun has risen. So the sun is the subject. Has risen. Okay, it is made up of, what is this? Has risen. The verb. Okay, it is taking the help. Has risen. She is going to school. The peon will be ringing the bell. So this, see, so the word is made up of 2 or more words. The verb is made up of, made up of 2 or more words. So has risen, is going, will be ringing. So these 2 or more words used. So it is okay. In some sentence we can see verb is made up of 2 or more words. So it is made up of 2 or more words. Clear? Now see, there is a main verb in each sentences. Other are helping verb. What will be there? A main verb will be there. Other helping verb will be there. The main verb comes at the end. Helping verb comes before the main verb. Thus the main verb here are risen, going, ringing. These are the risen, going, ringing are the main verb, and helping verb comes before the main verb. Okay. So helping verbs. Now see, next helping verbs are has, is, will, and be. Okay. So main verb is risen, going, ringing, and helping verb comes before that. So has, is, will, these are the helping verbs. Okay. Now you will do this one. Underline the main verb and circle the helping verb. You have to underline the main verb and circle the helping verb. We can swim. Main verb is swim and helping verb is can. We will win the race. Win and will. Lost and has. You will tell the truth. You should tell the truth. So this one you do by yourself. Very easy. Main verb and the helping verb. Okay. Next, number 1 you will do. Number 2 also you will do. Match the subject and the predicate to the, okay, you have to match it, subject and predicate. Birds lives in nest. Raman brushes his teeth. The rose is a lovely flower. The monkey has a long tail. The monkey has a long tail. Bees and ants works very hard. Okay, this is also you can do. Next is choose a suitable predicate. Choose a suitable subject for each predicate. You have to choose a suitable subject for each predicate. Predicate is there, you have to write the subject. So the sun is very hot. Now my father loves God loves all men. All parents love their children. My father works in a forest, and the servant clean the table. Next is here you have written the subject. Now here you will write the here you wrote the predicate. Choose a suitable subject you wrote. The subject you wrote here. Next, choose a suitable predicate. Now you write the predicate here. Subject is there. You will write the predicate. Girls are plucking flowers. The lion is the king of all animals. A mango has a sweet taste. The earth moves round and sun. The donkey is a useful animal. Clear? So this will be your homework. So your homework will be number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Very easy. You can do in book also. Okay? All. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.